Hey guys, so pretty awesome. We have an unboxing here of the latest LG, the V60 ThinQ 5G. Now, the box here is pretty standard, but the phone has some pretty excellent specs. So we have the latest Snapdragon 865, and also a 5,000 capacity battery. And believe it or not, we also have a headphone jack. So within the packaging, we have a cleaning cloth, the V60, with a warning there about driving. Alright, so this is the AT&T version. So we also have your manuals. And the SIM card ejector. Alright, so we also have a quick charger and a USB-C cable. So honestly guys, not that much here. It would have been nice to have headphones, but given the price, it's understandable. Alright guys, so now for the phone. Now this is available in classy white and classy blue. And it's pretty much on all the major carriers. Alright guys, so some good stuff and some bad stuff. So the good stuff is the design on this is really nice. I think it's pretty similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus. So again guys, really nice looking design. Now the bad thing, now if you're a customer with AT&T and maybe some others as well, then you have to redeem, if you want the second screen, so the second screen that folds out worth like $100. If you want that, which is, again, it's included with the order, but if you want to get that, then you have to go onto a website and redeem it. Now, they don't give you any instructions for this, so I looked through all the manuals, I looked through all the paperwork, I looked through the order page, all that stuff. They don't give you instructions. I had to really dig deep for this, and even the website, it looks really sketchy. I had to confirm with AT&T themselves, just because I couldn't find any information. It's not LG.com. So basically you have to put in your info on the website. You also have to take some pictures of the phone. You have to take some pictures of your receipt, the IMEI number, and then upload that stuff. And then after that, it's going to take a few weeks to get your second screen. So yeah, guys, I mean, all in all, it's a pretty big hassle just to get something that should be included, something that is advertised as being included. So just be really wary of that if you're on AT&T. And of course, the first thing here, new second screen. I mean, really, it's a huge selling point for the phone. So they really shouldn't be making you jump through hoops just to pick it up. But yeah, guys, just be aware of that. Alright guys, so this does seem like a pretty solid phone. But to be honest, I am pretty disappointed with both LG and AT&T. Because just thinking back, when I ordered the phone a few days ago, I was talking with customer service. And they told me that the dual screen was going to be included. They didn't say anything about needing to redeem it or anything like that. So again guys, I'm pretty disappointed with the process here. Now in terms of the specs themselves, they're definitely pretty solid. So I think the worst spec here is the screen. So the screen is only 1080p. But aside from that, most of the other specs are pretty good. So for the front camera, you have a 10MP camera. And on the back here, you have a triple camera setup. At the bottom, you have Type-C and a headphone jack, which is obviously extremely rare now. And again, as I said earlier, the phone has a little heft to it. It's a bit thick, but it's not that thick and it's not that large. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint, which works decently, but not 100%. Yeah, so we'll have to test that some more. Now, you also have the Snapdragon 865, so the latest Snapdragon, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a pretty massive, really massive 5,000 capacity battery. The phone also has 120 gigabytes internal storage and micro SD card support. It also has wireless charging, and the phone is waterproof. And of course, 5G support. The phone also has dual speakers, so brief test for them. Hi, no copyright. Yeah, definitely pretty excellent quality. Now, as I said, guys, I am a bit disappointed that I don't have a dual screen here to show you guys. I will be getting it in a few weeks, but again, I am disappointed that something that's included in the price I did not get first day, and that was definitely not made clear to me. Alright guys, so for the next video, I'm going to be doing a comparison between this and either the iPhone 11 or the Galaxy S20. So vote on Twitter for what you'd like to see first, and stay safe.